cut it off like this.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah, I want to starting from here.
Yep.
Here we provide a coffee and tea,
Yep.
and also that's cookies. It's all the complimentary for you.
Thank you.
And so if you want to make some coffee or tea by yourself, you can just use in the machine.
Okay. Yeah.
And for the instruction is ready spoon.
Yeah.
Here. Also in the room we provide the QR code.
Yeah.
You can only scan this code if you wanna get more information about our research. Maybe
Sure.
you wanna see the activity and looking up at the money
Yep.
if you want to reach service.
Okay. Great.
Also in room there's we provide the packet pits if you want.
Okay.
And also the slice foods.
Yeah. Oh, thank you for the welcome. Yeah.
Yeah, this is the room that have one bedroom villa with a private jacuzzi.
Oh, okay. Wow. I hope the sky clears.
Yeah.
We're going to have a wonderful view
It's
here.
possible in the clear sky you can see the sea from here.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah. But now it's still cloudy.
Yeah.
So-
Maybe tomorrow morning I'll have better luck. Great. Okay.
You can just only press button number 1. So if you call the reception,
Yep.
you want to the ask question directly.
Yep.
And number 2 for the restaurant. If you want to
Okay.
room service,
Okay.
right?
Yep.
And the one that here the fire,
Okay.
it's just not the air conditioner, just function the ready smell in the room and also that circulation.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
You can continue here.
This is a nice picture as well.
Yeah. This is our bathroom. Here.
Okay.
So in the bathroom we provide the water. They are
Yep.
ready to drink. 1, 2, 3 and 4 water.
Yep.
It's water that is set to drink.
Yep.
And but it's shower and it's the bathtub.
Yeah, definitely.
If you want to use the safety bowl, you can just follow the manual guide
Yep.
here.
Yep.
And there's a bathroom.
Yep.
One, the head dryer,
Yep.
flashlight, the
Yep.
laundry bag, and also the extra blanket.
Yep.
Because sometimes they are so really cold. Just
Okay.
in case the cold.
Okay. Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So I'm still in Bali, Indonesia. It's over the weekend, so I travel up north about 2 hours from Cakul, where I were yesterday. And actually, this is even more north of Ubud in an area called Munduk. And where I'm staying is Munduk Moding Plantation Nature Resort and Spa. So this is a eco luxury property that they focus a lot on nature, on sustainability, coffee plantation, and more. So I am going to continue with a room tour because I think the gentleman that showed me the room around, I'm going to use those videos to show you what he said. So I'm not going to repeat that too much, but I just attend a plastic workshop upon my arrival. And this is actually, plastic. And you can see the focus on this hotel is really coffee plantation, heritage, sustainability, and things like that. So I'm going to join the coffee plantation tour tomorrow morning. But this is the significant, or that's the major characteristics of this hotel, is to immerse yourself with nature in the coffee plantation, as well as they deep dive into sustainability on plastic. I'm going to join the tour tomorrow as well, and I will show you more. Okay, so as I say, I'm going to do a pretty brief room tour because the gentleman just showed me around, so which you have seen as well. So basically that's it. Very spacious plunge pool villa, and you can see again the wood component, very Indonesian heritage and everything. I was told it's actually a European owner who fall in love with this area. And this is the view. They really give me a very good room with the view, but this, today, because it's raining quite a bit, so it's not clear. Hopefully tomorrow morning, if the sun comes out, I can show you a very good view of where we are. We are high up in the mountain, but it's supposed to get a very, very good view, which right now I'm not able to. But you can already feel the serenity and everything. Okay, so I also want to show you, other than the decor and the material they use, the painting, the big paintings on the wall, Indonesian painting heritage, as well as this one. It's a classic Javanese window. So you can see they really try as much as they can to put all the components together for sustainability. This one break a little bit. I think I need to tell them to fix it, but that's what it is with the pattern and everything. Okay. Also the cabinet, everything is wooden and things like that. And yeah, basically, this is the washroom with bottled water, and then also the bathtub. And of course, this is the amenity: shampoo, conditioner, bath foam, and all those are, even the bottle and everything. This one is made from recycled plastic, I assume. So very interesting. So, if you look, it's not dirty or anything. It's that pattern, how they press and reuse the plastic. That's what I just learned. And then this is the bathtub, which is very nice. Again, it's quite foggy after the rain, but I'm going to get a good view hopefully tomorrow morning. Okay, so this is basically the room. So very comfortable, big, thick mattress. And you can sit here, that's the chair, and then you're facing the plunge pool as well as the view, even indoor. So the temperature here, unlike the Canggu or Seminyak area, is pretty cool up here. So I don't think they have air conditioning, as he mentioned. They have humidifier, but you feel the cool air, which is very nice. So it's good for a change. And right now is November, so is their rainy season. I'm here, end of November. So this is the rainy season, but it doesn't rain all day. It's supposed to be beautiful in the morning, and then it starts raining at about 12 o'clock, and then it ends about 3 o'clock around now. So you will still get a good time even during this time of the year if you come here. But for the dry season, I was told the summer would be perfect to come here, although it may be the high season for everyone. So rooms may be a little bit expensive, or there'll be a little bit more people. but you know, it's your choice. But right now it's very quiet up here. It's very nice, and I'm going to experience everything. I'm going to go for spa. I'm definitely going to have dinner here and breakfast here tomorrow morning. I will join the coffee plantation tour as well as the sustainability tour. And I have just joined, you know, a workshop using plastic to do some handicraft, you know, handicraft and everything. So follow me, and I will show you my experience. It's amazing. It's unique experience. Emerge with nature and sustainability, eco luxury. Just love it. Very good. Yes. Hello, good morning. So it's finally stopped raining from yesterday arrival, and having a beautiful morning with clear view here. And what I find out is it's actually not just a plunge pool, because actually it's kind of warm water. So it's not cold, it's warm water. It's kind of like a hot tub that you can soak in with a wonderful view in the morning. So good morning, everyone.
So,
Arabica.
We moved in the forest here. We started with the bamboo forest. So as you see. And now the debit of the water is very low.
23 degrees Celsius is the best temperature for the coffee.
Pretty.
Precise. Yeah.
Water for the local people here. We have to make sure the water is very good enough. And now this is the second one. I also put the same tree that I put on the first farm. Here, make sure to prove the water is very good enough.